Right, this is the Within Friendship I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Thank you for keeping on supporting the channel. Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you watch the videos. My brother, Sundowns North, Pyramid North. How do you feel about the game?
I'm not feeling very well. I'm not feeling sharp.
Yeah.
Because of Real Mukwena, the way he made it this sharp, this substitute.
Yeah.
It was very wrong.
Yeah. Which shop did he do that you didn't like?
Between when he put in Al Nazir
Oh yes.
for Al Nazir for Tembazwani.
Yeah.
And then Al Nazir. Actually Al Nazir.
Yeah.
Because of Al Nazir was not there at all.
Yeah.
Because of he's supposed to put at least Bungani Zungu.
Yeah.
We can hold it our midfield
and make sure that he distribute the ball.
Yeah, everything is going to be sharp.
So,
but he put Al Nazir. Al Nazir never do football.
Nothing.
Yeah. So and you see now, TP Mazembe is up front now.
Yeah. So and it's very important to score at home, and then if you don't score at home, it's a problem.
It's a big problem.
Yeah.
Because of we never scored. And when we go to Cairo now, it's going to be a big problem.
Yeah. Because I was telling the other guys that you need to make sure that you score at home and get 3 points, and when you go away, then you get at least maybe 1 point.
At least 1 point there.
Yeah.
And 3 points is very important in our culture of Sundowns. At least 3 points is very important in our culture.
Yeah. No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best in future.
At least when we go to Cairo, I know we're going to win, but it's going to be hard.
Yeah, it's going to be very difficult.
Yeah, but it's so now.
No, thank you very much, my brother.